Everyone. Now we are going to discuss about the definition of disaster, hazard, vulnerability, resilience, and risk under the subject Disaster Management, Unit 1, Introduction to Disaster. So first of all, we are going to see about the disaster. It's a sudden calamitous event that seriously disturbs the functioning of a community or society and causes human, material, and economic environmental losses that exceed the community's or society's ability to cope using its own resources. Though often caused by nature, disaster can have human origins. Disaster is vulnerability plus hazard divided by capacity. So hazard is an object, situation, or behavior that has the potential to cause injury, ill health, or damage to property or the environment. So vulnerability is describe the characteristics and circumstances of a community, system, and asset that make it susceptible to the damaging effect of hazard. There are many aspects of vulnerability arising from various environmental factor, social factor, economic factor, and physical factor. So in 1982, according to UNESCO, the definition of vulnerability is the degree of loss to a given element or set of element at risk resulting from the occurrence of a hazardous phenomena of a given magnitude. So the key concept of vulnerability is exposure plus resistance plus resilience equal to vulnerability. So exposure is at risk, property and population. Resistance is to measure taken to prevent, avoid or reduce losses. Resilience is ability to recover prior state or achieve desired post disaster state. So for example of vulnerability to cyclone, because of high exposure of cyclone, low resistance, that mean lack of proper management, low resilience, that means economic limitation. So here some types of vulnerability are given, almost 4 types. Number 1, physical vulnerability. It speaks about which can expressed as element at risk, the degree of loss to a given element at risk, set of element and risk resulting from the occurrence of a natural phenomena. And second one is economic vulnerability. It speaks about the people's economic growth, people's economic level. And third one is social vulnerability. It refers to the inability of people, organization and societies to withstand adverse impact to hazards. Next, fourth one is environmental vulnerability. So it's natural resource depletion and resource degradation are key aspect of environmental vulnerability. For example, wetland. So here, such as the sensitive to increase salinity from a sea water and pollution from stormwater runoff, containing agricultural chemical and eroded soils. So next, we are going to discuss about the risk. The risk is a function of threat exploiting vulnerabilities to obtain, damage or destroy assets. Thus, threats means actual, conceptual or inherent may exist, but if there are no vulnerabilities, then there is a no risk. So this is a key concept of risk. We are already discussed in the second slide. Vulnerability int multiplies hazard divided by capacity equals disaster risk. So thank you. Hope we are getting some knowledge about the definitions of disaster, hazard, vulnerability, resilience, risk. Thank you.